This is the last presentation for the Special IP Addresses series. Here, we'll be discussing two special IP addresses, APIPA and the limited broadcast address 255.255.255.255. Hello guys, we'll talk about special IP addresses. For a device to properly communicate with other devices on an IP network, it needs to be assigned certain parameters, such as a unique IP address and subnet mask to specify the device's location on the network, a default gateway to tell the device how to exit the local network, DNS server address to tell this device where to look whenever a user accesses a website with a domain name that is absent in its DNS cache, and many more. This process could be done manually for few devices, but when the number of hosts scales to a large extent, it becomes necessary to configure a server to allocate these configuration parameters to client devices. Servers that perform this function are called Dhcp servers. Dhcp is an acronym for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. This concept will be discussed in further detail in another presentation. When a device is configured to obtain its network parameters from a Dhcp server, it first of all searches for available servers by sending what is called a Dhcp Discover packet. Since these client computers do not have an IP address configuration at the moment, they use the IP address 0.0.0.0 as the source address in that Discover packet. This presents another use for the 0.0.0.0 IP address. Moving on, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so you'll be the first to know when we release a new video like this one. Now, let's assume a scenario where DHCP clients make several attempts to reach the DHCP server and are unable to. It means they cannot connect to the network since they do not have the required network parameters to do that. These devices will assign themselves automatic private IP addresses, or APIPA. APIPA begins with 169.254. Having an automatic private IP address means a device is logically isolated from the network and hence cannot see the network. They are like on a different world of their own. APIPA is sometimes referred to as the IPv4 link local addresses, and this is because the scope of these addresses is limited to the link on which they are generated. This means that devices with APIPA can only communicate with one another provided that they are on the same broadcast domain. The last special IP address we'll talk about is the limited broadcast address, 255.255.255.255. It is simply used as the destination IP address to send an IP packet to every host on a segment. It is sometimes called local broadcast or broadcast to local network address. This brings us to the end of the special IP addresses series. We'll continue with other interesting topics in the subsequent presentations. Until then, please leave a comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.